5. What's up, money geeks? Mr. V here. Welcome to another video, guys. So in today's video, I want to show you guys or introduce you guys to 5 stocks that I think are worth looking at right now, based on where Bitcoin is currently trading at. We have seen Bitcoin go through some crazy ups and downs, and now I think Bitcoin is actually sitting at a point where it's consolidating. And so if you're somebody that's not comfortable trading Bitcoins directly, you can trade these stocks to really profit from that, because we saw these stocks run when Bitcoin was making those moves. These stocks were exploding alongside Bitcoin. So again, I want to show you guys some of the stocks that I'm really considering. But before we get started, guys, if you're new to the channel, we talk about how to earn money, how to save money, how to invest and build wealth. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. So like I said, guys, we've seen Bitcoin make some crazy up and downs, and so I think Bitcoin is currently sitting at a point where it's actually consolidating. So if we look at the charts here for Bitcoin, we can see that this $30,000 price point right here, if we can see this past month, it's been somewhere around that $30,000 price point. See, that's where I think that's where the support is currently sitting at, and so this is good for us. I thought it was going to go below that, but it never did. And so now that it's really holding that support, all the plays that are really actively tied to Bitcoin are some of the ones that I want you guys to start looking at right now. So the first one, again, this is one that we cover here on the channel, is ticker symbol MARA. Again, we covered this on the channel last time when we talked about it. This stock was trading at about $9 or $10, and then during that period, if you can look at the highs here for this stock, when Bitcoin ran, see, it went as high as $27, almost $28, which is insane. And so, and you see Bitcoin pull back, they pull back. So now that Bitcoin is consolidating, and so I think it's consolidating alongside this stock. So right now sitting at about $19 and some change. And again, the way you get into these stocks is not just jump in all at once. You incrementally buy as the price drops. So that's the best way to get in. So second one is ticker symbol RIOT, Riot. Again, this is the same play that we talked about before Bitcoin went berserk. This stock went as high as $28, almost $29 during that Bitcoin run to close to $45,000, and then pulled back, and now Bitcoin is consolidating at $30,000. These guys are consolidating around 20. So that's good for us. So these two are the two key ones that we talked about in the past. So this other one here, ticker symbol CAN, is one that I'm just adding in there because of the price points a little bit on the cheaper side. So I want to introduce you guys to this one as well. Again, if you see where Bitcoin ran, you see it spiked, and you see this is that last run for Bitcoin. So it went up, and this one didn't pull back as much because right now it's still sitting at $5 and some change. So this is an excellent one because the reason I like is because Bitcoin pulled back hard, but this one didn't really pull back that much. So but definitely would run alongside Bitcoin. Then the other one is Ftft. Again, this is one that, you know, made moves as Bitcoin was moving too. So if you see back here in January when Bitcoin was going crazy, this stock went all the way up to about almost $9. See, we went from 1 and skyrocketed all the way to 1, and then that's pulled back, sitting somewhere around this $4 and almost $5 price point. Again, the thing here is that Bitcoin is consolidating, so these stocks are going to be sitting here. You're not going to see any major movement. As soon as Bitcoin starts to make a move, these guys are going to turn around and start making that move with Bitcoin. And then last but not the least, ticker symbol HVBTF. And if you can see, this one is OTC. So this is over the counter. So again, you need Vanguard, Fidelity, or TD Ameritrade to be able to buy this particular one. And you see, if you can see here, if we just go a month out, you would see, notice that when Bitcoin spiked, they were spiking too. So, and again, they are holding really tight, consolidating at about $2. That's pretty good. So, but again, these are cheaper options where you can just keep your eye on it and see. There are other cheaper options out there, but these are just the 5 that I wanted to bring to you guys to kind of take a look. Again, guys, with Bitcoin, it's the volatility in that space is insane. So if you don't want to deal with that volatility, then you can deal with these stocks. And again, it goes with Bitcoin up and down. The advantages that I see with this, with trading these blockchain stocks or these mining companies, is that once you make profit, you can actually put a stop loss and sell everything and get out and wait to buy again at the bottom. So that would cover you, at least protect you a little bit if you don't really worry about that volatility. And again, I know last time I did a video here, people was like, oh, Bitcoin. I said, if you don't have money to invest in Bitcoin because it's too expensive, people were saying, oh, you can buy fractional Bitcoin, which is good. You can get a piece of Bitcoin, but that doesn't stop you from also investing in companies that are helping Bitcoin be Bitcoin, because these companies, mining companies, are used to actually do all the transactions that you see in Bitcoin. So if there's transactions going on, all these companies actually execute those transactions, and that's what makes Bitcoin Bitcoin. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this list. Do you have any of them, or are you planning on buying any of them? Again, let me know in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, guys, we talk about how to earn money, how to save money, how to invest and build wealth. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. Also, if you're looking to get started with investing, WeBull currently doing their promotion where if you sign up and deposit $100, you get 4 free stocks. Links in the description below. And as always, guys, don't be a greedy savage and stay motivated.